I want to introduce this our hot cell electric truck to you. The max lifting height can up to the 12 meters and the max loading capacity is 3 tons. Now I want to operate this machine to you. Now stand on it and sit on it. Now take the safety belt. Now turn on the emergency stop button and turn on the key switch. The button for the parking brake. You can see this button. This is a control. Forward, depress the accelerate pedal after depressing the sensor switch. Now is the backward. This is lifting. This is lowering. This is control the master. This is forward. Now this is backward. This is tilting down. This is tilting up. This handle for the side shift. Now for the left side. For the right side. Now you can see the side shift function in the screen. This is for the left. This is for the right. Now stop the brake. Now control the wheel to the normal. Now I will steer the truck. You can see that the turning radius is very small. Now you can see the lifting in the screen. The height up to the max height. Now this button is control the headlight. Now turn off the headlight. This button is control the horn. Now turn on the camera. Now let me turn on the HD display. You can see this is a warning light. Now you can see this is rear view mirror. The wheel is PU wheel.